Hi everyone. Welcome to Coco Senor, and today I will show you quick fixes for iPhone stuck on Do Not Disturb. Way 1. Turn off sleep mode and content restrictions. Tap settings. Tap focus. Choose the sleep option. Make sure all options are disabled. Then go back and tap screen time. Tap content and privacy restrictions. Toggle off content and privacy restrictions. Way 2. Try to reset all settings on the mobile phone. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Enter your device passcode. Tap Reset all settings again. Confirm to reset all settings. Soon, the iPhone restarts and all settings are erased. Way 3. Download and install the latest iOS version. Open Settings. Tap General. Choose Software Update. Waiting for the checking result to update the iOS version. Way 4. Use iOS Repair Tuner to repair system bugs. Coco Senor iOS Repair Tuner is a reliable iOS repair tool which can help fix various iOS issues. You can use it to fix iPhone stuck on Do Not Disturb issue. Just download and install it on your computer. Open the software and choose System Repair option from the main interface. Choose the standard mode to continue. OK, hit the Start button. Now, connect your iPhone to the computer. It is better to put it into recovery mode. Hit the Next button to load your iPhone details. Wow, the iPhone details are displayed here. Click the Download button to get the firmware package online. Well, now click the Repair button to fix your iPhone error. Congratulations! Your iPhone is returned to normal now. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.